Take 1. Scene 1. Day 1. Month 1. Year 1. Decade 1. Millennium 1. Infinity 1. Universe 1. Galaxy 1. Planets 1. Hello everybody out there in TV land. You know who you are. If you don't, man, you got problems. So what we're going to watch today is a video on how to make a couple of sheeps by needle felting them. Needle felt is a type of cotton, comes in different colors and stuff. You poke it with a needle, then you poke your thumb and your finger. Use a lot of adult language when you do. That's how you learn learn adult language. It's needle felt, and you become a professional overnight. So we're gonna make some sheep today. As I mean somebody else. I can't do it. I'm gonna go eat a banana and watch the banana splits on TV. Remember the banana splits? Sha na 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 na, sha na 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 na. Drove around that 6-wheeled vehicle thing in the 1970s. Well, anyway. So if you want to make a needle felting sheep, go for it. It's fun, relaxing until you stab your fingers off, and then but it's still relaxing. And go back to it. Make sure you don't get no blood on your sheep. So here's the joke. If I can find it, let me see. Let me go through my memoirs. Oh, okay, I found a good one. What's the difference between a woman with PMS and a terrorist? You can negotiate with a terrorist. So everybody, enjoy the show and I'll see you later. I'm gonna go suck a banana. Woo! Woo! Okay, what me and Sierra are doing, we're making sheep. I'm making a big sheep, she's making a little sheep. This time I'm not going to cut out a EVA foam head. I'm actually going to sculpt the head. Just take a big ball of white, but I use green in this because my white's limited and my black's limited, so I use an inner color. Use the green inner color on this, the orange on this. So just take the felt and just keep poking it till it gets good and firm. And if you don't need to watch all of it, if you ever see all of this, it'll be 8 hours long. Well, not that long, it'll be pretty long, just poking the felt. So just, what you do, just poke the felt so it gets good and firm and the size you want. Making the head with an inner orange piece because my black is limited.
What's my mommy? See, brown and a head. See, now so we're going down the S-flow.
Then make sure the head is fatter at the top, skinnier for the bottom of the mouth is. We'll put some ears on it and we'll put it on here. And this sheep I'm going to give him some stick legs. We'll gouge up in here, put some stick legs in here, paint them black. So right now the body part is pretty much done except for the little snipping I'll be doing one around it.
Look at that chicken. I can't tell that chicken. That chicken's annoying.
Somebody said that you're annoying over here. That kid's annoying. Discipline that kid. I like to discipline that person. jackass said that you're made a comment. I deleted it and blocked the bastard. Said that you're annoying in that video. You talk about my daughter that way, you're blocked. Next is the head. I'm finishing it. Orange base, black outside. See it up. Leaving it on my blade and white. The colors I use the most, unless I'm making something like that next one, but I actually run out of that violet color. Not violet, violet. I tore off 2 pieces of the felt wool.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
And I'm making
Please try a little later.
I'm making some ears to put on the sheet. Very easy, very simple. Just poke them a little bit firm. When you do needle felting, you have to poke it so this thing goes all the way through everything. Because once that poke it so the tip goes in. I think they're ready to go on. Find that part of the head is the right part. I'm gonna put googly eyes on my sheet because I like them. It's always a good idea when you put stuff on like that, just to run a little piece of felt all the way across the top to help, help join the parts together. The more you poke this felt, the more firm and harder it gets. Since I'm using an under layer of a different color, I have to be careful how I poke that under part because you get too firm, and the more you poke it, it shrinks too. So this ear is looking a little bit bigger than the other ear. So it's just a little bit. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:53 a.m.
It'll work faster. Do you want these scissors like this? So you can snip it. Go around these edges, get rid of those fur balls sticking out everywhere. Be careful with the locks and pops, you don't want to lop off. Now, attach the head. liberty. How we'll do that is unbeknownst to me. I don't know how. Put some fur on the back of the head. Back. Belt. Back of the head. Make sure your head's where you want it. I want it down here. This is easy. We'll put it up here because he's looking around. He's like, oh man. Oh. Stuff all this behind there. Get it where you don't want it. Just add white back to it. But usually if you do it like this, tuck it under there. Pretty good. Go attach it to the back first before you attach it to the front. Go through to the front, to the back, so you have to talk, but watch the way you're doing it. You should flatten this face out. Connect the fibers in the center. It's hard to get loose. Put this in here to distinguish his schwaz. Legal fillings like anything else. You have to do some sculpting. You have to know how to proportions and all that stuff. Googly eyes. We have so many more than see. And my sheep is coming along. Alone. That's where it's coming. Oh, you gotta tiny ears and listen. Alright, now we're gonna take this. I'm going to cut
Book
this.
myself.
Take this fur off. Easy, don't worry. Like all your ears in. I'm doing a fast job. Lay over it. There is one woolly boy, a woolly girl, one woolly she-eye, one woolly shaft, woolly shoulder, pronounce it. Woolly. Fact about sheep. Sheep in the wild automatically shed all of their wool. It's automatic. It happens. Domesticated sheep have lost over the decades the ability to shed their own wool. Thus, if one of your sheep goes wild and is lost, the wool will continue to grow and never stop, and the sheep will eventually die. There he is, the sheep.
Look at a dog to me because his nose and his eyes.
Laying down. Standing up, laying down.
I didn't make the other video.
Okay, these are the sheep that finished. This is the sheep that I done. This is the sheep that Sierra done. I've got legs on it. I always put my sheep laying down. It's easier. Here they are. So if you want to get into needle felting, making a lot of stuff inside the sheep, and it's some nice looking stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like, subscribe, share, watch more videos that are upcoming, and see you next time on the Clouds Restoration, Crafts, and Reviews channel. Goodbye.